Tonight, what if you looked up and the moon was gone? Not hidden, not eclipsed, just vanished. Like someone reached up and switched it off. The sky is emptier, the night is darker, and somewhere out there, the thing that's been circling our planet for billions of years simply disappeared. Now you might think, okay, it's a rock in the sky, who cares? Well, we've got the sun, we'll be fine. Oh, well, we would not be fine. Because the moon is quietly one of the most important things on your life. And you've never even thought about it. So what actually happens if it disappeared? Well, let's find out. Okay, first, let's bust the scariest myth. A lot of people think if the moon vanished, Earth would go spinning off into space or fall into the sun. But that's not how it would work. Earth orbits the sun. The moon orbits us. And compared to the mighty sun, the moon is tiny. So losing the moon wouldn't knock Earth off of its path one bit. But we'd keep calmly circling the sun, exactly like we've always done. So we're safe from that. The real consequences are sneakier, and honestly, way more interesting. Here's the moon's most famous job, the tides. Twice a day, all around the world, the oceans rise and fall. And that's mostly because of the moon's gravity, gently tugging the seas towards it. Now take the moon away, and the tides almost collapse. The sun pulls a little, so we'd get some tide, but only a fraction of what we have now. Those big, dramatic ocean tides, gone, for the most part. And that's a much bigger deal than it actually sounds. Whole worlds of life depend on the tides. Crabs, fish, birds, and countless creatures that live, feed, and breed in the zone where the oceans rise and fall every day. For billions of living things, the daily heartbeat of the tides would suddenly stop. Some scientists even think those tides help life crawl from the sea and onto land in the first place. The moon may have actually shaped life itself. Next, let's say goodbye to the moonlight. A full moon is surprisingly bright, bright enough to walk by, bright enough to cast a shadow. Without it, our nights become far, far darker. And the only upside, the stars would blaze brighter than most of us have ever seen. But for nature, this is chaos. Tons of animals depend on the moonlight. Predators that hunt by it, prey that hides from it, insects that navigate by it, creatures that time their whole lives around the phases of the moon. Take the moon away, and the rhythm of night, the one that life spent billions of years adjusting to, falls apart. The consequence almost nobody knows about, and it's all about the way the Earth leans. Earth doesn't spin straight up and down. It leans over at a steady angle, and that lean is what gives us our seasons, summer, autumn, winter, and spring, reliably year after year. And what keeps that lean so steady and dependable? The moon. Like a steadying hand on a spinning top, the moon's gravity holds Earth's tilt in place. It's been quietly stabilizing us for billions of years. Now take it away, and over a long stretch of time, scientists really believe that Earth's tilt could start to wander. And if the tilt wanders, the seasons go haywire. Imagine an Earth that slowly rolls towards lying almost on its side, where parts of the planet bake in endless summer and then plunge into brutal frozen winters over thousands of years. Without the moon holding us steady, our calm, predictable climate could eventually become anything but. Here's a wild bonus fact. The moon has also been quietly slowing Earth's spin for billions of years. Long ago, with the young moon close by, a day on Earth was only about 6 hours long. The moon's gentle pull is what stretched our days out to the nice, comfortable 24 hours we have now. So the moon literally gave us the length of our day. And here's the secret. The moon is actually leaving us very, very slowly. Every year it drifts about 1.5 inches further away. But don't panic. It'll be our companion for billions of years to come. but it is gently saying goodbye. So that little light in the sky, it's not just a decoration. The moon steadies our seasons, powers our tides, and lights our nights, and even set the length of our day. It helps shape life itself. Lose it, and Earth wouldn't be destroyed, but it would slowly become a stranger, wilder, and less predictable. We tend to think of the moon as the quiet one, just hanging there, doing nothing. But it turns out it's been protecting us and partnering with us the entire time. So that's the moon and everything it's secretly done for us so far. And that's the fun of a good what if. Every time we imagine taking a piece of our world away, we discover just how connected everything really is. The planet, the moon, the sun, all of it, as one giant story, the story of everything. If you've got a what if of your own and you want us to explore it, well, that's what we're here for. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.